So good afternoon. So we are here to install the Windows Server 2016 in our virtual machine. With my partner controlling the desktop, his own desktop, Jesse Visaya. So first, we use Discord as our communication application for us to communicate to each other. And next is we use the team viewer for my partner what um, to show to me on how he installs the Windows Server 2016 on his desktop and for us to collaborate to each other. So to get started, we need to install the Windows Server 2016 ISO in the website microsoft.com. So we already installed it and I downloaded it rather and put it on the desktop as we can see here. And next, to get started, we need to control now the virtual machine. So we need to click start.
When you start the virtual machine, this window will pop up. Now we need to mount our Windows Server 2016, clicking this icon here.
So we click the icon, the upside. So next,
Need to add this,
click add.
clicking the Windows Server ISO in the desktop.
So this is what we downloaded, the ISO Windows Server 2016. So we mounted it. So next, open.
After after select the disk image,
We need to click choose. And after clicking choose,
you need to
so
start.
yeah, start. So this is now the Windows Server 2016 in the virtual machine. So we just need to configure and set up the Windows 2016. So first we choose the language English and the keyboard to US. So that is the default. So next we need to install it now. So setup is starting. So next we need to choose the standard the evaluation data center evaluation. So this is um so the default to choose in the Windows Server is the standard uh, evaluation. So we click next. Oh, how can I go back? Oh, here. So Jesse, can you help on what we will choose here? Am I wrong?
um the one you choose is the core version without the graphical interface. You have to pay attention to this detail because you can mistakenly install the core edition instead of the full graphical edition, which is named Windows Server 2016 Standard Edition. Desktop experience. This- Microsoft stated that in the future, core servers will be more deployed than servers with GUI. In fact,
Oh,
core servers presents the advantage of having less resources footprint as they don't need to have all components installed.
okay. So I see now. So um, it says that we need to choose the Windows Server 2016 standard evaluation with the desktop experience. So this window contains the terms and agreements, the license. So we just need to agree with this. And after this, it prompts another window if we choose to upgrade, install Windows, keep files, settings, and applications for those to um, upgrading their Windows OS. But for us, since we started from the first OS, like we don't have OS at all, and we installed a new OS, which is Windows Server 2016. So we choose the custom installation, and after this we choose this and we click next. So it may take a while in installing a Windows. So for your information, this is my partner's desktop, but I am the one controlling this.
using TeamViewer.
Yes. So we will wait for a couple of minutes to um, to get this installation done. So we're back. So we encountered an issue in the my partner's desktop. So we found an alternative solution, which I use my own personal desktop since the installation did not occur an error, and we also use a team viewer so my partner can have an access to my desktop, and so he can see how the installation will come. So this is now the installation, getting devices ready. So what can you say about the error, Jesse?
I think there are some missing files in my desktop. That's why it errors.
Yeah. So the installation in my PC takes 5 to 10 minutes.
While on mine it takes over an hour.
Yeah, since he's using a laptop and I'm using a PC. So we'll just wait for a moment. 50%. So after accessing this, we will I mean rather installing this, we will now have an access to the Windows Server 2016. So maybe this will take a long
A
time.
while.
So maybe we will come back later.
Dahil lang ah.
So we're back again. So after the Windows startup, so it appears here to the window of customized settings. So our default username will be administrator, and we will just input our password. So what will be our password?
Our password will be exclamation mark
exclamation mark.
Our surname Bisaya and Bisaya Katakutan,
Putan.
and today's date 02/01/21.
02/01/21. So I click finish. So we already create the administrator account with the with our chosen password, and here is our Windows Server 2016.
Now to
So,
unlock our server, Control Alt and Delete.
press Control Alt Delete, and then
Um, oh wait. I can you uh cancel and can you right click
I cannot. I think you will be the one to Control Alt Delete. Can you
from
try?
the hmm, I tried but nothing happened.
Hmm,
Can you try at your end?
it's not working. How? Control Alt Delete to unlock. Hmm, but it is my PC. It's not in the virtual machine. So how? So we will be right back again to fix this issue.
Issue.
So to
Where-
continue, we fix the issue by pressing the right control and the delete. So now it appears what is the password of our we inputted a while ago. So it is our surname, 21. Oh, the password is incorrect. Did I type yours first or mine?
Mine.
Oh,
Now
so
we
the
fix.
password is now correct. So now we are just waiting for the desktop to be displayed since we entered the password of our admin account. So tada! This is
So we are
the
done.
yeah.
We have questions. What have you learned about the task? I'll go first.
Okay.
I learned on how to install a Windows server using the ISO to the virtual machine.
And in my part, I learned that we need to be more patient since there are many installations and it takes a lot of time since it is a big file. So next,
How long did it take to complete the installation? What do you think are the factors to consider? For me, it takes more than an hour
Yeah, overall
at
it
my
takes
end,
over
but
an
there
hour.
are complications because the factors I consider that there are missing files at my computer to continue. So there are missing files, so we continue our installing at my partner's the end.
Yeah. So also, in my part, the even a slightest misclick or configuration, it will make an error in our end. So we must always follow the instructions. And yeah, it takes a lot of time in installing this Windows Server 2016. So that's all.
Thank you for watching.
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.